Yo, 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 what up, guys? It's your boy Big Stoney back again for another one, man. And today we're gonna do something cool. I'm gonna show y'all some saucy ways that you can make unique dark melodies, not just your typical average trap piano melodies. We're gonna put a different flip on it, a different sauce on it, you know what I'm saying? Let's do it. I'm gonna start with a phrase today. I'm gonna find a phrase. You know what? Probably just use both of them, alright? So if you don't use phrases in your loops, man, I mean, phrases are just a great way to turn your shit up. Like, I don't always use phrases, but sometimes it's just a cool way to add some, like, different sauce to your shit. Obviously, like, flip them, change them, stuff like that, but yeah. You know, we are gonna add a piano. Yeah, a little cool little piano in there. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Pull up a synth. I try to like get creative with my effects, you know what I mean? Whether it be like chorus effects or like different delays or stutters. Let's try to find like a cool lead now. I love all of Artorias since they're all just so amazing. Just give me a warm feeling. Let's get a little bass action in here, man. Give it that nice bottom, you know what I mean? Obviously, we'll take the bass out on parts. Throw some good shaper box on there. Sounds like some disco shit. Let's throw some drums on this bad boy and bring it to life all the way. That's it. We don't even gotta add nothing, no other crazy shit. All right, let's put this together. outro, just let it ride out like that. You feel me? All right, bet. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Yeah, man, that's it. I think that shit came out super duper fire. Definitely a hard, different, dark melody, loop, sample, whatever, and just overall beat as well. You know what I'm saying? I could definitely hear like Money Man on that, or like G Herbo, or ESTG, or just somebody like super hard. Yeah, man, I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. I hope that you learned a little bit of something about how to make more unique, darker trap melodies as opposed to just your traditional basic ones. Just a nice, good basic bounce that kind of works with almost every beat in this vibe. You know what I mean? As always, hope that y'all enjoyed. Make sure that you like, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. Drop me some comments with some ideas for some future videos. And yeah, until next time, that's it. Big Stoney out.